Hi, it's Kevin from Auto Lab in Libertyville again. We're here to talk about headlight restoration today. With the daylight savings time coming this weekend, I believe it is, lights are going to be on a lot longer, and especially if your kids are driving in the car. When you have these headlights that are covered over like this, it's very difficult for the light to get out and let them see where they're going. So today we're going to do a restoration on these headlights. We do this service at the Auto Lab. It takes about an hour to do. So this is how we're going to start, and we'll show you the steps along the way to getting it finished. Okay, here we are after the first step of the process of fixing these headlights. Right over here we have all of the stuff that is used to do this service. Different polishers, pastes, different grits of sandpaper that we use. It's really an involved process. A lot of these TV shows show you just wiping something on the lens and it being done. That's really not the way that it's done right, and we do it here. This has been sanded with a 500 grit sandpaper right now to get it to this finish. I know it looks worse than before, but it's going to look bad before it gets better. Okay, now this is after the second step with 800. That's this really fine sandpaper here on the sander. It's brought it down a little bit, where it's a little bit clearer now. On the video you may not be able to see the difference from the 500 to the 800, but there is a noticeable difference when you're standing here looking at it. This is step 3. We did 1,000 wet sand on this now, where we actually use water with the sanding, and you can see the lens starting to really clear up now, and you can start seeing the internal components of the light itself. As we go smaller and smaller on the grit, this is going to be as clear as glass when we're done. Okay, this is the next step. We did a 3,000 wet sand on this. As you can see, the light is really getting nice looking now. It's better than before we even started with it already. It's getting nice and clear. Now we're going to go on to compounds, and we're going to really get it to shine nice. And here we have the final version of the light after it's been polished with 2 different compounds. As you can see, it looks brand new, and it should get many years of good service out of it before anything happens to them again.